It's the last 10 minutes of a lesson, and your teacher hands back an essay. Before you even read the comments, you flip straight to the grade, or you scan the room to see how everyone else did, or you decide right then you're rewriting the whole thing your way because the title was boring. If any of those is instantly you might be a heartstream learner. Here's the strength that links all three of you. When the learning means something, it sticks like nothing else. A topic tied to a person, a goal, or your own identity locks straight in. But there's a stretch, too. A flat worksheet with no human angle, no payoff, and no room for you can feel impossible to care about. And that's exactly when motivation drops off a cliff. Same engine, two very different gears. So give every topic a reason to matter. If you're a social dolphin, teach it out loud to a friend or sibling. Explaining it is your strongest revision tool. If you're a rapid cheetah, set the win before you start. A target mark, a timed challenge, boxes to tick. And if you're a creative peacock, make the work yours. Your voice, your colors, the angle nobody else has spotted. And this is where a tutor that knows your genius helps. Mentor sits at the center of the whole faculty and reads how you actually learn. A social dolphin gets to explain and connect. A rapid cheetah gets clear goals and wins. A creative peacock gets room to make it their own. The teaching bends to fit you, instead of forcing every student through the same single shape. Your stream also shapes your energy, so know it. Green means you're rested and ready, so push the harder work. Amber means a heavy week, so keep it short and steady. Red means you're stretched too thin, so rest tonight. Even a heartstream learner learns best when they're not running on empty. You're not picking a label for life. You're spotting how your learning engine is built, so you can give the work a reason to matter and switch your focus on. Mentor reads your learning genius and adapts as you grow. We're now inviting the first 100 founding member families to learn this way. Find your learning genius at aitutors.me.